How to share a post on CoinMarketCap to Instagram directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share any post on CoinMarketCap to Instagram easy and fast. So first thing, go to the app. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the feed as you can see right here. Now here you will find posts. Let's say that you want to share a post, for example this one right here. All what you have to do is click on this option right here and click the share here, and you will find your apps. Now go swipe right until you find Instagram and click on it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.